Exhale, hands to the floor, chest to knees, forward bend. Inhale, raise your head up, look to the front, flat back. Exhale, step back into the plank pose, to down four limbs, chaturanga. Inhale, upward, facing dog, stretch your back. Exhale, downward, facing dog. Take the breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, step back to the front into forward bend. Head down. Exhale. Inhale, head up, look forward. Exhale, chest to knee. Inhale, raise your body, hands up. Exhale, hands to your chest, prayer pose. Again, inhale, stretch your back up. Exhale, hands to the floor, chest to your knee. If you feel tight with your knee, you can micro bend. Just relax here. Inhale, stretch your back, look to the front. Exhale, chest back down to your knee. Inhale, step back into plank pose. Down, four limbs. Inhale, upward, facing dog. Exhale, downward, facing dog. Stretch, breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, step back to the front. Feet between your hands, head down. Exhale. Inhale, head up, look forward, flat back. Exhale, chest down to your knees. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, hands to your chest, prayer pose. Inhale, again, up. Exhale, hands to the floor, chest to the knees, forward bend. Inhale, raise your head, look forward. Exhale, pull back to your chest. Inhale, step back into plank pose, down four limbs. Inhale, upward, facing dog. Exhale, downward, facing dog. Stretch and breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, step back to the front into forward bend. Head down. Exhale. Inhale, head up, look forward. Exhale, chest to knee. Inhale, raise your body, hands up. Exhale, hands to chest. Prayer pose. Last round. Inhale, up. Exhale, hands to the floor, chest to your knees, forward bend. Inhale, raise your head, look to the front, flat back. Exhale, chest down to your knees. Step back, inhale, plank pose, down four limbs. Exhale, upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Take your breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, step back to the front into forward bend. Head down. Exhale. Inhale, raise your head, look to the front. Exhale, chest to your knee. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, hands to your chest. Prayer pose. Okay, breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, back to the front side of the mat. Get ready. Straighten the spine. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, to the floor, chest to your knee. Forward bend. Inhale, right foot, step back. Heel down. Arms up. Warrior one. Inhale. Stretch your spine. Push your hip down. Lengthening your back up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly bring your hands back down to the floor. Turn your right heel up. And then we go up into the high lunge pose. Inhale. Back up. Stretch. Exhale. Back into the crescent lunge. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale again. Exhale. Hands go back down to the floor. Slowly turn your right heel back. Right heel at the back. Down. And then open into the side plank pose. Right foot to the back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale again. Left foot up. And then bring your left foot to the front. Back into the twisted side angle pose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Left hand go back down. Right foot to the front into standing forward bend. Exhale. Inhale. Left foot back. Left heel on the floor. Arms up into warrior one. Inhale. Stretch. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, hands go back down to the floor. Turn your left heel only up. Hands back up into the high lunge pose. Inhale. Exhale, stretch to the back. Open into the crescent lunge. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, return. Hands go back down to the floor. Turn your left heel down. Right feet to the back into the side plank pose. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right feet up. Exhale, right feet back to the front. Right hand up, stretch into the twisted side angle pose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right hand go back down. Left feet to the front. Standing forward bend. Exhale. Inhale, raise your body up, hands up. Exhale, hands go back down. Inhale, again, hands up, stretch your back. Exhale, hands to the floor, chest to the knee, forward bend. Inhale, left feet back. Left heel on the floor, arms up, warrior one. Stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, slowly, left hand to the back. To your left thigh, right hand, pull it back into the reverse warrior one. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale again. Exhale, return. Go left hand back up, go down to the floor. Turn your left heel up. Again, we go up into the high lunge pose. Inhale, up. Stretch. Exhale. Inhale into crescent lunge. Pull to the back. Stretch. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Return to the center. Right hand to your left thigh at the back. Left hand again. Pull back. Inhale. Stretch your waist more. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Right hand back up. And exhale, hands down to the floor. Breathing. Inhale. Turn your heel, left heel down, right feet to the back into the side plank pose. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, right feet up, go down to the back into the wild things. Stretch your waist, right hand to the back of the head. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, return. Slowly, right feet, bring back to the front. Into the twisted side angle pose. Inhale. Exhale, right hand push over the head to the front. Stretch. Deeper. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right hand go back down. Left feet to the front. Forward bend. Breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right feet to the back, right heel on the floor, hands up, warrior one. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right hand to the back, left hand, pull back. Keep your chest, look to the front, open into the reverse warrior one. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, return, warrior one. Go down, hands on the floor. Turn your right heel up. Hands up, inhale into the high lunge pose. Exhale, stretch. Inhale into crescent lunge. Pull your hands to the back. Exhale. Open the chest, inhale. Exhale. Inhale, up to the center. Exhale, left hand go down to the back, to your right thigh. Right hand pull back again. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, return. Left hand up. Exhale, hand go down. Slowly turn the right heel. Left feet to the back into the side plank pose. Inhale. Stretch. Exhale. Inhale, left it up. Put it at the back into the wild things. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, return. Slowly, we bring our left feet to the front, into the twisted side angle pose. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Left hand go back down. Left feet back to the front. Right feet back to the front. Forward bend. Inhale. Raise your arms up. Exhale. Hands to chest. Back to the prayer pose. Inhale. Arms up. Exhale. Hands to chest. Okay.